So right now, all Chelsea fans are celebrating. We are all happy. We are all celebrating because Makayo Modric is back in the Blues. You know, we are all happy. We are all celebrating. But beyond football, I think there is a lesson all of us need to learn from this. Yeah. Sometimes life will put your dreams on a hold. Many will judge you before they know your story. Some will write you off. Others will forget you completely. You know, there will be a moment you can't even defend yourself. All you can do is to stay patient, keep believing, and keep praying. And this is why this comeback means a lot, because your worst season is not the last, it's not the end of your story. You understand? Many will judge you by one chapter, but don't let that one chapter defend your entire life. Keep believing, keep working, and keep showing up, because one day, just like Makayo Modric, you will have another opportunity to prove yourself. So welcome back, Modric. We are all happy, bro. We can't wait to see you play again. This is not the end of the story, but this is just the beginning.